Hello, right now I will show you all box accessories of Redmi Note 14. So let's put this phone aside and let's open up the box. Alright, and right here we have the little box with accessories. Let's take this one out, and right here on the back of this box we have the pin to eject the SIM tray. And let's open up this little box, and right here we can see that we have the charging cable from USB-A to USB-C, as you can see. The next thing we can see in this box are the Redmi Note safety information and Redmi Quick Start Guide and warranty card. Alright, and the last thing that we can see right here in the accessories is this silicone case, which is like kind of gray, and yeah, it looks pretty nice. It has simple design, and yeah, basically that's it. That will be all about the inbox accessories of Redmi Note 14. Thank you for watching.